Hey, what's up, guys? This is Ghost Samurai 1899. You guys, probably mostly some of you guys play with me, but mostly I'm here to discuss an argument over a manager and a customer. We argued over a guy, the customer that have his ID on him, and mostly people are siding with the manager, but I'm siding with the customer because don't nobody want to come in GameStop with no ID, and plus I know it's a law, but they really need to take that law, because don't nobody we go in GameStops to have fun and to pick up a good game and go home and play the game, right? So why are we, every time we go to GameStop try to get immature game, they always saying you need an ID to with you, and saying that like one time I went to GameStop and I saw two kids in GameStop about my age, 17, finna be 18 soon, hooray. And so they said about 17, go up to the counter. They just pull out Mortal Kombat, the new Mortal Kombat 9. I say, okay, hey, yeah, they got a good game right there. So they go up to the counter. I have the game L.A. Noire. I had to bring my grandmother, which is embarrassing, bring your grandmother to a mall where GameStop is. So they're by themselves. So I get the game, turn my head, and these guys, they walk to the counter and they saying that you know what, the GameStop guy says that, hey, you need your ID to get the game. He said that the boy said, you let me pass for the first time because I walked all the way from home to get this game. You know, Mortal Kombat is a fighting game for people, and it don't seem like that hard, no nudity or none, just, you know, blood and gore, just throwing usual weak stuff. I can see it was like Grand Theft Auto, but Mortal Kombat, really, GameStop? Like, y'all can let that pass? Like, really? What does Mortal Kombat going to do to you? Like, what in the world is going to, how in the world, why didn't y'all let that pass? Like, really, y'all could let Mortal Kombat pass? I don't see that at all, but mostly they didn't let it pass. And another thing, how come GameStop is always giving us, like, we buy the game for $60, but somehow we getting the game for $20 when we sell it to them, or 40, I mean not 40, or 30, or like super low. Like, what's going on with that? How come we ain't getting our correct, like, at least half our money back, but you guys are taking all our money out of pockets and wondering why people don't come and shop at y'all store? Because we don't have that much money, and y'all can't lower y'all prices down, like from $60 to at least 40, or, you know, 40 or $30. No, we are not rich in this world. This is crazy. GameStop, you are charged too much, and most of you guys probably saying I'm getting all talk, but I'm just on you, GameStop. Just stop with the overpricing people, and stop trying to at least back off with the IDing, because some games aren't that bad. Like L.A. Noire, that was a cop game, and it's M for mature, so that mostly help the kids get to the love cops. But now kids can't get to cops while like a teenage boy going to the mall. Who in the world wants to go to the mall with his mother or grandma, going to GameStop and walk out of GameStop and say they friends at the mall looking at them like, oh, you need your mom and dad to go to GameStop? And that's so embarrassing, GameStop. So please, just stop. So please leave a comment, or like it below, or subscribe me on my comments. So remember, this is Ghost Samurai, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.